You ever hear some shit about yourself and be like, damn, where was I when this shit happened? See you get some information so crazy you get to laughing? Solidarity and quietness bring confusion, and fast knowledge but slow comparisons like slurs don't really know your life, so try to get tidbits from his and hers like, damn, where the hell was I when this shit happened? Just in your lane, mad they changing speeds trying to get a view of you more clearer. But I know it's hard to see my GPS through this rearview mirror. I let them assume. Don't clear shit up. Just make sure they spell your name right, cause really their opinion don't matter for shit. They just want to know what's going on in spite, not cause they care, just cause they nosy. But curiosity did kill a cat when blabbing. So when they think you down and you come back better than ever, they be like, damn, when did this shit happen?